This is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax here in Brick, New Jersey. This is our 2017 350 Sundancer Coupe. This boat comes with a lot of options, including the hydraulic swim platform, gourmet grill space on the transom with extended swim platform, as well as beautifully upgraded interior with cockpit television, shore shade, extendable awning, as well as the center section of the hardtop also does retract. As we enter the boat from the swim platform, you'll see freshwater washdown, as well as remote stereo. As we enter, you have your cockpit table that can lower to become a giant sun pad, lounge on the port side, your television on the starboard side, your helm seat, which does pivot to face the cockpit, as well as your helm area. This boat is powered by 8.2 liter Mercruiser Axius stern drives. The boat currently has about 124 hours on its IO'd engines. Up close, you can see the new Raymarine GPS chart. As we go down into the cabin, you'll notice that there's a nice dinette on starboard, along with your galley with ample counter space. And as you look to the bow, nice double berth. Off to the port side, very nice flat screen Samsung television that is mounted on a swivel. Just under the television on the port side, you have your double settee with electric panel behind. By pulling back on the seat back, you get access to all of your switching, and 98.7 hours are on the generator. And as we turn around to the port, we get to the head compartment. Very nice sink and electric head, as well as separate stall shower with handheld faucet. And as we go aft, you have a mid-stateroom that can be either a double, or there are filler cushions that can be taken out to make it two twins, along with the settee over on the port side. Back to the galley on the starboard side, you have ample refrigeration, a nice Kenyan cooktop, as well as a Westinghouse microwave above. Whole side windows bring in a lot of exterior light inside to make it more bringing the outside in. Up on the bow of the boat, there's seating with recessed center section. The previous owner on this boat also had custom canvas made for the protection of the vinyl, as well as custom sunscreens for the windshields. Again, this is 350 Sundancer Coupe from MarineMax here in Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions, you could always reach me on my cell phone, 732-915-1110. Also, please notice the boat does have cockpit air and heat. Thank you and have a great day.